For the year filter, we use the SELECTPERIOD function. SELECTPERIOD is a function that creates a period selection, for example on year level. It allows the user to choose a reporting period, and then the query retrieves data that matches that selected period. Here, I want to work with a year selection, so I add the parameter year. Field names can also be renamed. In the first column, you see the technical dataset field name. So here, I have the balances period field. But because this becomes a user-facing selection field, I rename it into something simpler. Year. That makes it clearer for the end user. Now, if I continue like this, the query will retrieve all information for the selected year and the selected company. But that is still not exactly what I want. I want to retrieve actuals from last year and current budget figures for the selected year. So now we need another function to build that logic.